In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change template on Wix. By the end, you'll know how to pick a fresh template and bring over your favorite designs from an older site so your new look feels familiar and on brand. Start on your Wix dashboard in the All Sites area. Look for the Templates section in the left sidebar and hover over it to reveal more options. Choose Wix Editor Templates to open the full gallery. Take a moment to browse. You can filter by industry or style and preview any design to see how pages, layouts, and sections behave. When you've found a template that matches your goals, click Edit to open it in the Wix editor. Inside the editor, give yourself a place to work by adding a section. This creates a clean area where you can drop reused content without disrupting the original layout. Next, open Add Elements, then go to My Designs. If this is your first time using it, you might not see anything there yet, and that's okay. Wix may display a short on-screen guide. Follow it for quick pointers. Now, we'll grab pieces from your old site and save them into this library. Open your old website design in another editor tab. Find any design element or section you want to keep. This could be a hero banner, a call to action strip, or a testimonials block. Right-click it and select Save to My Designs. Give it a clear, descriptive name so you'll recognize it later, then click Save. Repeat this for each section you plan to reuse. Naming consistently now saves time when you rebuild. Return to the new Templates editor. Open Add Elements. Again, head to My Designs and you'll see the items you just saved. Drag and drop them into the new template, placing each one in the section you prepared. You can repeat this as many times as needed to bring over all your key pieces. Once everything is in place, fine-tune the look so it fits your new template's style. Adjust fonts, colors, and spacing to match the template's theme, and make sure your headings and buttons use the same design language for a cohesive feel. Double-check links, forms, and galleries to ensure they point to the right pages and content. It's also a good idea to switch to the mobile view and tidy up any layout shifts for smaller screens. That's it. You've selected a new Wix template, saved your favorite sections from the old site, and rebuilt them in the new design. Take a final preview, and when you're happy, you're ready to move forward with your refreshed site.